When running the TcpTunnel application, the first thing we need to do is to open the project we are going to work on. In this case, it is the one that we have already created in the TcpTunnel CAD application, where the tunnel layout is already defined. Just copy the folder to the data collector. The main menu shows the different TcpTunnel options. Firstly, Project Management, Position to position the total station, Survey to measure points or cross-sections, Stake Out to set out in the tunnel the main points that define the section or the alignment, stake out bolts, etc., tools for checking of data collected, calculation tools for operations between points or lines, instrument configuration options, and application utilities. The first of all is to select the control points file to orient the instrument. So in Project, Files, we select Control Points. We search for the coordinate file that we recommended is in the same folder. Once selected, it shows us the control points graphically. We accept. Next, in the File Manager, Points, we are going to select the points file where we are going to save the measured points. New File, we give a file name. It has already been created and selected the file where we are going to save the points to be measured. We accept. In Project Components, we can review the files that we have associated with the project. The control points file, the file where we are going to save the measurements, and the alignment files defined previously. Now we are going to position the instrument. In Position, we have several options, such as Last Position, Resection, for observing several known points, measuring known angle reference, or observing both from one station to another known. We are going to select Resection, where we enter the name of the station where we have positioned, and we are going to calculate its coordinates. We also key in the instrument height. We accept. And we select the coordinate system to be used. In this case, it has a scale factor 1, and we proceed to measure the known points. Measurement of control point 1. We measure, accept, and repeat for the next point. Control point 2. We measure, we accept the measurement obtained, and we already have the first coordinates of the position calculated and the residuals obtained from this calculation. We add a third control point to have more data redundancy. We measure, we accept, and the residuals in coordinates change slightly. We consider them valid and our instrument remains oriented.